Hi everyone, my name is Sliman, and today I'm gonna show you how to file Form I-864. First of all, I am not an attorney. I'm here just to help you to file this form based on the information I have from a US CIS. Part 1 is a basis for filing affidavit of support. It's you're gonna put your name, which is in my case is P, his last name, Ali is the first name. I am the petitioner. You're gonna scroll down to continue the page. To continue the page of this form. That's only gonna, in my case, that's the only things I have to fill in this form. I'm gonna go to, I'm sorry, yeah, I still have to do part 2, information about the principal immigrant. That's the one you're gonna bring and make. In this case is my wife. It's gonna be PP, and yeah, it's gonna be first name is gonna be Fatima, and last name is PP. We're gonna go to the top, and we're gonna add you're gonna put your full name there, and care of name PP Fatima. This is gonna be a foreign it's gonna be a foreign address. Street name, street number, street name. An example in my case is NR 100. City Amalu. It's gonna be city or town. In my case, it's gonna be Kinifra. We don't have a state, we don't have a zip code. The province is gonna be Kinifra, and we have also the postal code is gonna be 54,000. Country, of course, is gonna be Morocco. We're gonna keep filing part 2, information about the principal immigrant. It's gonna be the country of citizenship or nationality. It's gonna be Moroccan, which is Morocco. Date of birth, it's gonna be in my case 1975. Alien registration number and USCIS account for a principal immigrant. Does not have it. She or he does not have it. Daytime telephone number, you should give one. In my case, it's 0021211111. Part 3, we're gonna go to information about the immigrants you are sponsoring. In my case, I'm sponsoring only one person, which is my wife. Yes, in this part, I don't have no other members coming with my wife. She doesn't have no kids. We don't have no kids yet, so just by herself. But if you, in your case, if you have a family members, you can add them right here, from family member 1 to family members member 5. You gotta remember, most of these people, they don't have alien registration number and USCIS online account. We're gonna go to information about immigrant you are sponsoring. Continue. It's gonna be just one. In my case, but in your case, it depends how many people you have. This is the information. Part 4 is the information about the sponsor. That's the person who is in the United States, who is gonna sponsor the person is gonna bring from other country. In my case, is a P is a family name, and the first name is Ali. I don't have a middle name. I have the same mailing address and physical address. I'm gonna put just one. So in my case right here, I'm gonna put just P Ali, and the street number name is gonna be 308 North Avenue Street. City is gonna be Seymour. State is gonna be Indiana. and zip code is gonna be 47,000, and of course the country is gonna be United States. Here is your current mailing address the same? Yes. So I'm not. So if you do that, you're not gonna file the physical address since it's the same. So you're gonna go other information, country of domicile is gonna be United States. Scroll down, it's gonna be USA. Date of birth, I'm not gonna give date of birth, but I'm gonna give 1/1/1975. City or town of birth is gonna be Kenifra. And country of birth is gonna be Morocco. US social security number, you should have one, is a 10-digit number. You're gonna enter here number 10. In my case, for a citizenship or residency, I'm a US citizen by choice or naturalization. Alien number, you have to have it. Suspensor A number, you have to have it. And suspensor USCIS, you have to have it, because you already have I-797. You will have two items, 12 and 13. You will have them in I-797. Just look at that form. You will have these two, number 8, number 12 and 13. Number 14, I'm not active duty, U.S. Armed Forces or U.S. Coast Guard. We're gonna go to next page, part 5, suspensor household. This is gonna be populated automatically. The total is gonna be 2, myself and my wife. Suspensor employment, this is very important. I'm employed, and you're gonna put the name of the company you work for. In my case, I'm engineer, and name of the employer is an example, just matter. If you have a second job, you can put it right there, number 3, or if you are a self-employed, you can check that one. If you want to add number 5 and 6 and 7, if they apply for you, 7 it will apply for you, of course, that's your income. You have to put it there. 5 and 6 you're gonna put in if they apply for you. This is income you are using from another person. If you have another people that you want to add, if your income is below, and you can put the relationship to that person. In my case, I don't need it. I make enough money to bring my wife. Part 6 continued is automatically is going to populate there, 65,000. If you added those person from 21, you got them from 8, item number 8, 11, 14, you have to add them 17. Now your federal income tax, you gotta check that one, and you're gonna put the recent year. My example is 2023, 2022, and 2020. (2022, 20, 21), and the income is 65,000, 62,000, and 62,000. If you was not required to file a federal income tax, you can explain that to IRS or to the USCIS. Some people, if they don't have enough income, they have to add assets, number 2, 1, 3 to 4, a different type of assets, cash, different type of assets. If you don't make enough money, but you have, for example, you have money in your checking account or saving account or real estate, and you add them together and you put the total in number 4. So in my case, this they didn't apply for me, so I make enough money to, so I don't need it. Even if I have it, I don't need it. So we're gonna scroll down. Use of asset to supplement income. You're gonna add items 6 to 8 and enter the total here. Yeah, some people, they have an asset, but they have for example, they make $20,000, but they have a saving account $100,000. So you're gonna add them there. So you will be okay if you make $20,000 and you have a $100,000 in your account. I think it should be okay. We're gonna scroll down to page 7. This is part 8. Is information is gonna be about your signature, certification, declaration, and the statement and contract information. You're gonna put your suspensor contact information. You're gonna put your phone number. You can put a telephone number or mobile number, and the email address as well. The email, it's very important. The email, it's very important. They usually communicate with you with the email address. We're gonna scroll down. Suspensor statement. You should apply that one first before you do that, but it's okay. I can read and understand English, and I have read and I understand every questions and instruction. This affidavit and my answer to every question. Part 8 continued. Now we're gonna start about first you're gonna be suspensor. Here, that's most important right here. You're not gonna be able to send it through a computer. You should date it, and when you print it, then you sign it, and then you scan it, and then you send it. This is how it works with this form. Do not send it. It will not be approved if you didn't sign it. You have to sign it, and you have to put the date you signed it. If you have somebody help you, interpreter that helped you to file this form, you're gonna put his or her information. That's a part 9. You're gonna put first name, last name, his information, email address, and his or her signature. We're gonna scroll down to part 10. If somebody prepared this form for you, it's the same thing. You're gonna put this full name, first name, last name, if you have a business, if he's an attorney, and then you're gonna put his address and his signature, date, and he's gonna put all his contact information. And it's the same thing. You have to date it and sign it. And you don't sign it until you print it. Then sign it. Part 11 is additional information. If you don't have enough space for those items, you should add them over here. It's very easy. As you can see, this is a very easy form to file. Just you have to pay close attention what you do. The most importantly is taxes, your information, and the date, and the signature. Do not sign this form if you didn't sign it. You have to sign it. If you don't sign it, don't send it. Print it.